think we have to go there with the market.
I think so.
Do we go one more? I mean, this is also interesting. Your apartment.
It's okay. I'm here. I'm following you. No problem.
You filming for the vlog? For a vlog?
You know, right?
I saw
This
it.
all goes into YouTube, yeah. Watch out.
I don't really want to take that out. Let's go this one. Let's find a big street and then we go.
Yeah.
Or maybe good for a vlog.
Yeah.
As long as there's
Yeah.
abi
I
burada
noticed.
hangi
Yeah, I
dükkanın
noticed.
neydi?
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
Francis mi?
You wanna go there? Yeah.
For a vlog, it's good.
No, come on. No.
Maden
You
polo var
guys.
ya.
Why don't you go first?
Madene polo
No,
diyor.
come on. Go ahead, guys. I'm not taking any what do I say? I'm not filming anyone. It's just the environment.
Just name for others.
See, that's why I'm holding the phone so far, just high up.
But buy a stick. It's good. Let's go back and buy your stick. You need a stick.
I should. Yeah, I should.
Then you just carry it there.
But sometimes I'm a bit afraid that it either can because in these places with low ceilings,
Yeah.
they can hit something. Yeah. Wow, this is really unique.
Like it?
It's amazing. You don't get to see this kind of environment anywhere else. Especially the sense that you feel. It's unique. Can you imagine these people here all day, every day, trying to sell stuff? Come on, it's ridiculous.
Stop, man. I mean, friendship yourself.
Araba en iyisi. Büyük. Ama araba bir. Zaten orada ortalamayı 10 alıyor ya. Adam diyor ki araba daha temiz geliyor. 23'ü
Zaten o evet. O daha koyup onu zaten satıyor.
Çakmak lacmanı da.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Really, you're right, mate. We just got.
Yeah, what goes up, what goes down must go up, let's say. Why this? In this case. This is more sporty than the sporty. Than the sporty food.
We're like a women's lingerie.
Yeah.
Bu Ahmet.
Oh, no, no. What's your name?
None of my, I'll just stick